Alright, for today's video, we can drive this thing. So let's go for a ride, Cheetah. Take it, put some gas in it. So this is gonna be a cold start and drive. This thing was last running, oh geez, since my parents got back out of town, I was driven. I don't think it's been jumping since I drove it to school Thursday, which is now Sunday. So Friday, Saturday. Only 3 days, so it's just start right up, no problem. No problem. Sweet. Maybe a Mercury, but it's cool. Well, I shouldn't say that. It's hot as hell in here. And for the first time, I'm wearing shorts. Passenger side. Seatbelt. Oh, I should get my safety first. Put the belt on. Alright, I guess this, you know who you are, beawaw. This goes out to you. Going for a ride here. In reverse. Straighten it up and go straight back. Gotta be very easy on the gas because this thing will launch. So you just gotta tap it. And I mean tap it. I'm gonna make a U-turn here. Bear with me. And ladies crossing the street. Little run. Yeah, look that way. Know how it is. Off to the gas station. Because we do need some gas. Some of these streets are too narrow to get a little run in, so that's the only one I can really do it on. There are even cars coming. Cars, and more cars. Look that way, look that way. Yep, going to put gas in it. First time y'all ever rode in here. Yeah, she is pretty quick though. But we're in the city, so I can't really air it out that much like I need to. Look at that lady up there parked like that. You know. Oh, that's right. Gotta be careful. It is Sunday. Church time. Oh, I'm not going to my school. I think I passed the street. Crap. No, I think it's this one. Van Buren might be too far. Let's see. I'll go up Van Buren then. That's the way you go straight up there, make a right, make a left, and go out and go to my school. I might make that another video, but. And I hear something coming. Oh, wait, it's a four-way stop. Alright, make this turn. And I think I'm going to go back on because I passed the turn off. So, we'll make a left here. Oh, you know what? Let's go straight up. Maybe I can get a run out of it. Let's see. Let's see. I might be able to get something. Damn light. Oh, boy. Yeah, I can't really do anything, but. I'm in the city here, like right. I'm gonna try that. Police car, that's why I got the camera down here. I still missed the turn though, but I'm gonna have to go on Georgia Avenue. Okay, cops gone. Oh, that was kind of scary. I think I have to go back to the left. Where is that damn gas station? Yeah, I gotta go back to the left if I can. Oh, that's gonna be the hardest thing to do. Especially with one hand.